What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a pretty easy and chill vlog. Today we're just gonna be working on the E46 Wagon. Our plans with it are basically to turn it into like a ZHP version. So we have the side skirts and the front bumper to install today, and a little bit of the M3. A lot of it's just gonna be cosmetic, so new corner lights and tail lights, just to give it a little bit of a different look, because right now everything's smoked out. So it's the blacked out or like murdered out look, I guess you could say. So you can see right here, we have the black corner lights as well as the side markers that we didn't order yet. And then we have the smoked tail lights. Oh, that probably fell out. The other day, or actually no, yesterday we were at Angeles Crest at the E46ers meet. And I think things just kind of flew around in the back. So we have the clear taillights. Oh, these look so much better. I feel like they're gonna look so much better on the car instead of the smoked look. I mean, I don't mind the smoked look, but I just feel like we need some change. Don't mind, I'm like profusely sweating right now. And then we have the corner lights. It's with the amber bulb. Ooh, it's gonna look so much better. Look at this. Yeah, I feel like that's gonna give it a much better look. Right, Jirath? Yes, sir. So that's gonna come after. And then right now we're just going to work on repainting the trim and getting it black, so that while that's drying we can start installing the front bumpers. Where's the front bumpers? So yeah, here's the side skirts, the new M3 front bumper. So we'll just start bringing them in, I guess. Thanks. Oh, explain the difference with these compared to what's on the car already.
So, well, let's take a look at the car first. You'll see the, it's kind of like a little bump that comes up here right in the middle, and it's just going to come right in the middle. That's it. If you look at that one right there, you're going to see something like this. It's going to start from here all the way down to the end.
And it makes it a little bit wider now.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Just for looks.
You can see like it goes down the middle and it kind of drops off, but then this piece right here is wider. So these are just the ZHP side skirts, and it's pretty much going to be the same setup on the white wagon as we have on the red wagon.
Yeah, that face, look.
What?
That face work. For the thumbnail.
I need that for the thumbnail. And then here we have the M3 front bumper, and it's going to be replacing what's already on it right now. Obviously these little funny little fog lights. Basically here, let me just show you the red wagon so you can see. It's pretty much the setup that we're going for. You have the M3 front bumper, the ZHP side skirts, and the ZHP wheels.
Trying to get a ZHP look, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know, engine-wise and then transmission-wise, it's still 325. Hopefully soon we could do a conversion, but now just for the look. Yeah. Engines and everything's transmission still going strong, so not now.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get started. So we're just gonna start by taking off the front bumper first. It's pretty easy. It just has these clips all around, has these two long bolts on the front, and that should be it. It's pretty easy.
And also you have to transfer everything over from the old bumper to the new bumper, which is the like the horns and then the crash bars, all the harness.
I knew that. Now that that's off, we have to take all of this off and transfer it to the new one. Right?
Right. I actually forgot how to take off all of these.
And then the horn just stays attached.
Horn stay there.
I think it's just mainly clipped.
That's the right way, right? Good.
Yeah. Let's see how it looks. Oh. Now we just have to fix this, which is it won't be hard.
Looks good already.
It does. Looks so good. All right, so we finally got the front on. The trim is still waiting to dry, but now we're gonna be working on the side skirts. There's honestly just a bunch of clips underneath, as you can see here. There's just a ton of holes where all the clips go. And we have to take them off and then put it back on. Now you can see the shape of the side skirt. It looks so good. Hey, good job, bro.
Yes, sir.
So this is how it's looking right now with the new front bumper, the new side skirts. It looks so much better. But the only issue now is Jirath wants to do a full detail and paint correction of everything, so we're not going to be throwing on the black trim for like the sides and everything, because he wants to, you know, get in there, get the paint looking really good, and then we can throw on the trim. But I mean, for now we're gonna jump till tomorrow because we're losing daylight. We're gonna jump to tomorrow so we can put on the clear corner lights and tail lights on the M3. And we're back. It's pretty easy, to be honest. We just have to stick a screwdriver in here, unscrew that, probably take off this trim piece, and then it just pops out. And then same thing with the tail lights. Unscrew a few nuts and then pop in the new one. Finally, the day has come so we can do some sort of cosmetic change. I feel like it's gonna give it a whole new look, to be honest. We just need a little more contrast, right?
Yes, sir. It's too dark.
Ooh.
That was easy.
Look at the comparison. So dark versus so clear. Oh, that's nice.
Turn signal, please.
Is it there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Not bad.
Ooh. Looks good. Looks good.
Luckily, we don't even have to take this trim off, so makes it that much easier. Anybody want to buy these? Please buy them.
They are in brand new condition.
Brand new, right? No scratches.
No scratches. Not a satisfying sound.
How's that look? Is it?
It's very good.
Ooh, okay. Let's close the trunk. Let's see.
Close the trunk?
Okay.
Okay.
No.
And you're too excited.
I know. How's it look? Oh, damn! That looks good. Damn, that looks really good.
Told you.
It looks so much better.
See?
At first, I was gonna be worried that these might be a little like too bright, you know, because a lot of pictures you see, like the chrome is just
super bright.
It just makes this whole corner look white, and then like there's no other white accents really, but it doesn't look bad. Do you think? Because at first we were gonna do like a light smoke tint, but we probably nah.
Just
Return that. Leave it. Here's the new taillights. Ooh, baby. If the car was like a different color, other than black, smoke would be okay. Maybe like red. If the car was red, smoke would be okay because it doesn't blend in so much.
But not that. I don't know. This is kind of like dark. Too dark for my taste. I like a very light dark.
Ooh, that's dirty. Bada bing. That fresh brand new packaging.
Left side.
You see this tool? You might think it's just your ordinary like little clip and tab remover, but it's not. It's a life changer. This changes your life. This changed my friend Anthony's life. Before, my friend Anthony, his life was, you know, it was good, but this changed his life, and it made his life that much better. Ask him. He'll say it.
We better tag Anthony in here.
And at Salsa S2K or Salsa's S2K. I'll leave his Instagram somewhere. Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Me? Or Geno?
Oh.
Oh, that's the bulb.
yeah. Dude. That look good.
Way
really
better.
And I think we're feeling a little lucky. So we're gonna try to install the new speakers, or those speakers that we got from the junkyard.
Why do we need to install them?
Why? Because they're blown. Okay. These are broken. So we got the ones from the junkyard. So hopefully they work, because we haven't tested them yet.
Let's go. So the man behind the camera is doing all the hard work today, filming.
I know. Normally I feel like it's Jirath doing all the work.
Yeah.
We just gotta take turns.
Yes, sir. Damn.
The reason why it's easy is because we're missing a shit ton of screws.
Let's do this, man. We're gonna have fun on Thursday.
Oh, it works.
And I'm gonna have fun right now watching the rest of these Dodgers.
See that face, guys? Yeah.
Now we can order the Bluetooth adapter and then just keep the stock OEM look. We were gonna get like a touchscreen and stuff, but
we don't need it.
I mean, we wouldn't really ever use it. So we're just gonna get the Bluetooth adapter. Finally have some working speakers.
So this is a blown speakers. I mean, it's very hard to tell which one is blown. It's like buying something sight unseen, because you never know it works until you really plug them in and then test it.
We literally only went to one car at the junkyard and it had everything that we basically needed. It just didn't have this trim, the dash trim, which that's what we really wanted, but whatever. It is what it is, you know?
Yeah, you guys see that paint, bro? This really bugs me. Focus. See, look at that swirl.
Jirath's gonna have a lot of work with that swirl.
No, we.
Oh yeah, well we. But Jirath is the detailing master. I don't know how to detail. So instead of getting a speaker upgrade, which is already unnecessary because this came with Harman Kardon, we just replace the speakers and it's gonna sound good. Good enough. I mean, it's not like we're gonna be listening to music when you have an M3. You just listen to more of the engine sound anyways.
Correcto way.
But when you want to listen to music, it's nice to have it sound good at least. So yeah, so it's hard to do like a proper test because we don't have like a Bluetooth or oh no, we have the CDs. But like the antenna and the radio, like there's a lot of static or it's not a good connection. It sounds a lot better, obviously, because the speakers work now. I painted the trim, the old trim satin black. It's a little dusty right now, but it's obviously going to look a lot cleaner and a lot nicer once it's on the car. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This week, we're going to end up doing a full detail on the white wagon before we put on the black trim. That way it just looks nicer. Because right now, the paint on the side skirts and the bumper look really good, and they're like very nice and bright white. But obviously, it doesn't really compare to the original white because the whole rest of the body of the car is like 14, 15 years old, whatever. Actually more, 17 years old, I think. Jirath mainly, he's the master detailer, but we are going to be doing like a full detail as far as like polishing, paint correcting, just making that white pop and like really look good. And yeah, that's pretty much going to do it for today's video. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.